This is an ABP Life podcast.
टुडे सिंस अब पूरी क्रिसमस वाइब आ चुकी है, विंटर हम एंटर कर चुके हैं, सो वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल क्रिसमस सेगमेंट फॉर यू बाय द नेम ऑफ क्रिसमस कार्निवल. दिस इज अ सीरीज इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू सम अमेजिंग शेफ्स, बेकर्स, पेस्ट्री शेफ्स एंड हम आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे कुछ बहुत ही बढ़िया रेसिपीज. एंड कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, मैडम बटरफिंगर्स, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव सम नाइस क्रिसमस conversation with her. So, hi Ridhima, how are you?
Hi Niharika, I'm amazing. So excited
How
to
is
have
Christmas
you.
coming
Everything is
along with
amazing.
Madam Butterfingers?
Amazing. Christmas is my favorite time of the year, as is every baker's.
Right.
Because the amount of chocolate and fruits and everything I get to work with, orders pour in for Christmas and New Year. So for
Right.
every baker, this is a big time.
So, since we're talking about Christmas, what is Christmas for you?
So Christmas, I actually have a really fun memory attached to Christmas.
Lovely.
All of the baking that I know today is thanks to my grandfather. I call
Okay.
him my Babaji. So I have always been a mini baker. Bachpan se since I was 2 years old, we've been baking together.
Acha.
So what he used to do every Christmas for me is that in the night, around 3 or 4, he'd come to our rooms and under the Christmas tree, under our, pillows, he'd leave little notes.
Okay.
Which were, the notes were in gifts, like chocolate Kit Kat ke packet mein he'll put a note
okay,
and say the
okay.
next gift is under this place, like hints to where
Wow.
the next gift is.
Right.
And it used to be an entire treasure
Proper
hunt
treasure hunt.
in the entire house. And the last note used to always be, your grandfather is best friends with Santa Claus. Very fortunate that I had that kind of a loving environment ghar pe.
Right.
Because Christmas was just so much fun. मेरे जितने भी cousins आते थे, whoever friends used to come for Christmas, he used to do this for everybody.
Wow.
It used to be a one big treasure.
What are we making today?
Yeah, so guys, today we are going to be making a delicious pound cake. And
Okay,
it's going
wow.
to be flavored with the zest of orange and really good chocolate. So it's going to be an orange chocolate flavored pound cake. And to add some more Christmas to it, we're going to sprinkle it with some cinnamon sugar. So
Lovely.
we have all the elements of
Of
Christmas
Christmas.
going on. So the recipe is super simple and you can basically find everything very easily in the market. First thing we are using is just some softened salted regular butter जो आपके घर पे आता है. It's just regular salted butter.
Okay.
And because I am also a recipe developer, I really like things to be perfectly to the T. I add some oil to my pound cake. It just helps making the entire cake super moist. Oil because butter hardens at room temperature, whereas oil remains liquid, so it keeps the cake moist. Next we have some caster sugar. You can use regular granulated sugar as well. Ghar pe in the mixie you can just churn some sugar and get your granulated sugar. And to this I'm going to be adding some vanilla extract or essence, anything that you have at hand. And the best part, which is instantly going to make the entire kitchen smell beautiful, is the zest of an orange.
Lovely. You wanted to add a little, maybe a bitter taste to
Great
it?
point, Niharika. The thing is, under oranges, do you see this lighter part?
Right.
This is what you don't want. This is called the pith of the orange.
Okay.
And this pith is where the bitterness is at.
Okay.
So when I am, zesting it, I'm making sure that I'm not adding too much of the white part and only the orange part.
Okay, so the top layer basically.
Yeah.
Right.
yeah. So
Right.
this is where the flavor is at, and you can. I'm sure you can.
I can
smell
smell
already.
it. I can smell it.
Any little bit of zest on my zester, I want each and every bit of it inside my batter. So right now, guys, we have the butter, the oil, the sugar, vanilla essence, and the zest in. All I simply need to do is something called creaming.
Okay.
Taking my mixer and mixing the butter and the sugar together till it's slightly paler in color. आप देखोगे कि gradually it becomes from a yellow to a lighter, paler yellow.
Okay.
That is what we're looking at. It's really bright right now. It's going to become paler. The butter and the sugar, and I can see that it's already getting paler. I'm just going to add one egg at a time.
Right. Okay.
If you guys don't eat eggs, you can actually substitute the 2 eggs with 120 grams of yogurt or dahi.
Okay.
You can use that instead as well, and you will get a perfectly gorgeous cake. So guys, now super simple. To this I'm going to add some flour, baking powder and baking soda. So I'll just give it a nice little whisk. And all we need to do now is sift this dry ingredient mixture into our wet ingredient mixture.
This is very basic. That is what we do for every kind of a cake
Yeah.
also.
So what I'm going to do is, first I'll add half of my dry ingredients, and now I'm just going to add some more yogurt.
Okay.
If you were using yogurt instead of eggs, you can just replace this yogurt with some milk. And now I'm just going to sift in the remaining of my dry ingredients with the blender. And that's it, guys. You don't have to overmix this. We'll finally add chocolate.
Now my favorite part.
You can add as much or as little as you like. If you like little chocolate, then we can't be best friends.
Who doesn't like chocolate? Come on.
Some really cute mini loaf pans which I've just greased with some oil, and I'm going to put this batter into my molds. I just
Experimenting with different things.
Yeah, and different ratios, different types of molds, different materials. So I just flatten the tops a little so that everything bakes evenly. Alright. Okay guys, so I'm gonna sprinkle these loaves with some cinnamon sugar. Now this is optional. If you like the flavor of cinnamon, then go ahead. This is just some castor sugar, and I'm adding some cinnamon powder to it.
So that's how you make cinnamon sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what this is gonna do is, not only is it gonna make our cakes more fragrant, it will give us a nice crusty brown top.
Okay.
So the cake is gonna be spongy,
Right,
ऐसे
but
crumb wise,
ऊपर से एकदम
crusty
उसका
and
crunchy
crumbly
होगा.
आएगा. हाँ
Right.
जी. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this with some cinnamon sugar. We go heavy on the cinnamon. You can add nutmeg, cloves, whatever you like. Personally, I think orange and cinnamon goes really well together. We have the cinnamon sugar on. I'm just going to tap the mold a few times so that any air bubbles, pop and the cake batter becomes even. Bake these at 175 degrees in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right.
Okay, so now we wait and now
Now
we
we wait.
chat.
Yeah.
You studied law. So from law to baking and becoming a pastry chef, how did that happen?
So this is a long story, but long story
We are
short-
all in for it.
So, you have to decide what you want to do in life when you are in 10th standard, because क्या
Right.
होता है, everybody expects that you should know what stream you want.
And then what career you have to choose for
Yeah.
yourself.
So I just don't think that's fair, How
It's
can a
not.
kid in 10th grade just know, okay, I want to be this in my life?
Exactly.
If you do, you're very fortunate, but I was
I think
extremely
that's a
confused.
1 in a 1 million wala case.
Plus, I think 10th में तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था what all professions there are in the world. I was just too young and naive.
Exactly,
इतनी
exactly.
branches होते हैं, you never know. So my interest was everywhere. I
Right.
loved biology. I loved basically all the sciences. I loved politics, geography, history. Baking
Wow.
तो मैं घर पे करती थी. मेरे को थोड़ा थोड़ा सब कुछ पसंद था. But I was never sure of exactly what I want to
Right,
do.
right.
So in 10th, after 10th, I actually studied science, and I
Wow.
was a student of, medicine, medical student.
Baap re.
Yeah, and then after school, I was like, this is just not what I want to do in life. I don't know how you guys do it, but I was wondering what to do. So I thought, I am really interested in politics, history, geography. Let's do law.
Law,
And I
right.
did law at IP University. So I enjoyed those 5 years a lot. So my takeaway of things is, it's better if you just take studying, take padhai as padhai,
Right.
Every uncle, auntie I meet at shadis, they are just like, कि 5 साल क्यों वेस्ट करे लॉ पढ़ के? पढ़ाई is
Waste
never
नहीं
wasted.
करे, exactly.
पढ़ाई is never wasted.
Right.
A lot of the things that I learned during those 5 years in my
I want
life.
to help you throughout your life.
Yeah, and it gave me maturity. It taught me how to run my own business.
Right.
And so many things happened during those 5 years. I made friends, I gained life experience. So law was just a beautiful, time in my life. And honestly, sometimes I question even that should I go back to it. but then baking just has my heart.
Right.
So that is what happened. In law school, I think third year, I started my blog, Madam Butterfingers.
Okay.
Because I was, there was so much padhai that I was just like, मुझे थोड़ा तो outlet चाहिए.
Right.
Because even during exams, रात में I used to be baking to
Your
stress.
go-to thing for everything.
Absolutely.
Right.
So that's when I started the blog, and to my surprise, it took off from the very beginning. So it's just the stars aligned and things moved in a way that by the time law ended, Madam Butterfingers was itself, something people knew
A direction to sort of fall back onto.
And that gave me the confidence to actually pursue this career.
Right. So what is that one go-to recipe that you always make on Christmas?
So usually for Christmas, I do a trifle pudding.
Okay.
Yeah, in which I have like layers of cake and I soak it in rum. And then there's chocolate ganache, custard, and layers and layers. I wish I could have done that today, but that would have taken me like the entire day to just prepare.
I can
it's
agree.
a super fun Christmas trifle, and you will find millions of recipes on YouTube also about it. So if you guys are interested, check out Christmas trifle YouTube.
Talking about Christmas trifles, any views on Rachel's trifle?
Oh my god. I'll try it.
You will?
I'll try definitely. I feel like open palate रखो. क्या पता? What if there is something
Indians sort of keep it very separated कि मीठा मीठा ही खाएंगे.
Correct. I think
salted
you're very
ही खाएंगे.
right in that, because अगर हम अपनी इंडियन मिठाई भी देखें तो सिर्फ स्वीट होती है, बहुत मीठा, heavily sugary मिठाइयाँ होती हैं. बाहर मैंने देखा है usually international desserts में there are elements of saltiness or bitterness that do exist.
Right.
But I feel like nowadays people are really opening up their palates. Everybody is experimenting and trying new things, so people have really opened up. To पहले तक तो my parents were like, orange zest in cake, it won't taste nice, and as soon as it started baking they're like, it smells wonderful. सब लोग को इतना मजा आने लगा है ना घर में cooking करने में, baking करने में, सबने अपना palate अच्छा खासा widen कर लिया है. Everybody's enjoying.
And I think the COVID lockdown really contributed to this. What were some of the new things that you tried to? कि you must have had a lot of time. तो क्या उस time पे कुछ different try किया? People
became so productive. They were taking up new courses online. I also teach online workshops.
Okay,
so
lovely.
The crowd was just, it multiplied. It poured in like anything because people were so interested in learning.
They wanted to learn. Exactly.
Yeah, so I was taking so many workshops and I actually made my bread making skills better during this lockdown period. And now I'm mostly a bread maker, also known as a boulanger, more than a pastry chef. So lockdown was like my bread making period. Like, everybody started making their own sourdough breads.
Yeah, everyone started doing that.
Me.
Sourdough and focaccia.
Making lots of sourdough and focaccia and making videos on it and posting online.
Right.
Bread making became a huge deal because breads and everything became very sparsely available in the market.
Right. Even people didn't even want things to come from outside at that point.
Definitely.
They were like कि जितना घर पे हो जाए उतना ही अच्छा है.
Yeah.
So from baking to bread making, how did this shift happen?
I just loved bread videos on Instagram. मतलब मैं देखे, they look so complex.
They do.
And I'm like, man, how do I reach this level of skill, of craftsmanship?
Right.
Because it just looked like they're not just bakers or they're not just people who are mixing ingredients together. They're artisans. And as being my teacher, I started, taking online chef workshops. Some of the memories I had from my grandfather teaching me things.
Right.
I'm actually very fortunate. I have this book, a diary of his written recipes and everything.
Wow.
So I started using
That is a treasure trove.
Yeah, that actually is. Honestly, it is. So I started working on my bread making skills like that, and I absolutely adore bread making. It's what I mostly do today.
Right.
Yeah.
That is nice. That is something different. Usually, जब baking, the first idea of baking that comes to our head is desserts. Bread जैसी चीज कोई आती नहीं दिमाग में.
What happens is, if you look at your bread के packages, if you see the ingredients, there are just so many things.
Right.
So many additional bread improvers and bread conditioners, dough conditioners, all these things. And what are they? Like, bread is supposed to just be, maida or flour with water and yeast, some salt. That is what bread is. So those 20-25 list of ingredients, I used to wonder, what am I putting inside my body?
Exactly.
So that's what also sort
preservatives
of
and stuff like that.
So it also gave me this little, boost कि no, I should try making bread at home myself and even teaching other people that because it's very easy once you understand the basics of it.
Yes.
So just out of the want of trying to make something closer to nature.
Veganism is becoming more of a culture which people are adapting. I think it's an even better way to sort of start making things on your own.
Definitely. I mean, to suit your own daily intake requirements. Some people are allergic to gluten. Many people are these days. It's not good for PCOS, PCOD, or these lifestyle problems that are happening today.
Right.
So it's great if you can make it at your home. The ingredients are very easily available now. We are very fortunate to live in a country where we have everything. तो घर पे बनाने का joy ही कुछ और होता है.
बिल्कुल different होता है, definitely.
And honestly, it doesn't even take that long. 20-25 minutes in making a cake
That
or a
is for you.
सबका ना शुरुआत यहीं से होता है. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही होता था. और अभी सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम तो होता है बेकिंग कर लिया. अब ये जो सारे बर्तन है इनको धोना.
Right.
Baking is the best part, but then the dishes usually it's me or my mom who are just everybody does the
sitting
baking
and scrubbing.
and mom and I are scrubbing बर्तन and we're like सबका क्रिसमस हो गया और हमारा क्रिसमस ऐसे चल रहा है.
अच्छा, tell me this, मतलब this I have experience. I used to make chocolates at home. but उसको बनाते बनाते इतना मन सा भर जाता है that you don't feel like eating it. Is it just me?
हलवाई अपनी मिठाई नहीं खाता.
So does it happen with you also?
It happens. It really does happen. I mean, now it's come to a point where I have stopped eating breads. I make them for the internet, for the videos, for my clients, but myself I've just stopped eating it. One thing I can't leave, however, is chocolate cake. वो मुझे कितना भी कभी भी खिला लो.
That is ultimate.
बाकी सब चीजें I've really cut down on because I'm constantly in this, smell of baked goods.
Right.
So whenever I smell it again, I'm just like, नहीं होगा.
नहीं, अभी नहीं
अब
होगा.
नहीं होगा.
Sometimes so even you need a break out of this whole thing.
Absolutely.
What is your break from all of this? What do you do at that time?
मेरे को existential crisis होने हारेगा. Because honestly, usually it's watching, interesting
Netflix.
TV shows, Netflix and all.
Binge watching.
Yeah.
Binge eating while binge watching.
Yeah, that's what I do. Otherwise, other than that, I go out with my friends and we go
Right.
out to eat.
मतलब यहाँ से भी eat, वहाँ से भी eat.
करो, वहाँ से भी eat करो, but खाओ पियो ऐश करो.
So yeah, I think as long as you are getting a positive break out of it and good enough for you to willingly come back to it, I think it's good enough.
Yeah. I'm like, if I stay away from baking for like 2 days at max, I feel like doing it again.
That is the best
But I do give myself a healthy balance. I love, I have a huge cookbook collection. Some of my favorite books are displayed over here. But I have a huge cookbook collection, so I love reading about, ingredients, where are my ingredients coming from, the science behind baking, how every ingredient acts in a recipe, why do we add what we add, how does it affect the final result.
Right.
So I like going into the detailed science of it. If I'm not cooking, physically, I'm usually reading up all of this information, creating content for the internet, and it's, fortunately for me, पता नहीं कैसे reels के लिए thank you. The only thing, if anybody here is a budding content creator, it is originality of content.
Right.
You have to, and it is, you can't just, keep on doing hacks, and you can't just keep on doing clickbait things. You have to actually give your audience something.
Right.
Give them knowledge, give them information, give them good recipes. That's when they'll come back to you. That's when they'll actually use those recipes and trust you.
Right.
And use,
Right.
That is how you grow.
Exactly. And I remember, like, when I got attracted to your account, my idea was I love the use of strawberries everywhere.
मेरा बहुत ही सेट सा एस्थेटिक है. मेरे को सब कुछ पिंक अच्छा लगता है. जो भी कुछ पिंक होएगा मैं उसको यूज करूंगी. मैंने मेरा पूरा स्टूडियो भी पिंक कलर का इसलिए बनाया था बिकॉज आई वांट टू कीप ऑन कमिंग हियर एंड वर्किंग बिकॉज इट्स द कलर्स दैट आई लाइक. So everything, pink related, strawberries. I like very rustic, home baked, happy, hearty goods.
Right.
So I don't care so much about कि वो overall look कितनी neat आई है, clean आई है. वो खाने का मन करे देखकर.
Right.
Fruits, a lot of fruits, a lot of cream, all of these things.
Right.
That's how
जो
I
एकदम
like my taste.
जिसे कहते हैं ना आंखों की ठंडक. देख के एकदम दिल करे कि you really want to dive into this thing.
Something you want to share with your friends and family.
Exactly. So let's just play a quick Christmas rapid fire. and let's see what kind of desserts and foods and Christmassy habits you have.
Sure.
Okay, so on a Christmassy evening, winter evening, what would you prefer? A cup of hot chocolate or hot coffee?
I'm a coffee person through and through
Oh.
with beverages. Chocolate, I will eat alongside drinking my coffee. That's how I like the things to be.
So I think your middle path could be a mocha.
नहीं कॉफी प्योरेस्ट है मुझे कॉफी प्योरली कॉफी चाहिए
Okay. Like a secret Santa or everyone giving you gifts?
I'm really anxious as a person, so Secret Santa is like किसने दिया है क्या दिया है, this is too much anxiety for me. तो मैं सबके लिए बेक करूँ और सब मुझे गिफ्ट
Your
दें.
family and watching a nice Christmas movie or going out with friends on Christmas?
On Christmas, staying at home with my family and friends and watching The Holiday.
Oh,
I
the
love that
holiday!
movie.
I love it too.
That's
I
my
love it
go-to
too. Which
Christmas,
is a
yeah.
perfect, mushy and
Yeah.
cutesy
उसका
vibe.
म्यूजिक बजता ही है मेरे अंदर ऐसी क्रिसमसी वाली फीलिंग होती है because every Christmas I watch it and it's the kind of movie you can watch with your family also, your friends also,
Right.
everybody, all age
Right.
groups enjoy. टूथपिक टेस्ट करते हैं to see the doneness of our cake
Okay.
and then we'll take it out. पास से देखेंगे तो the stick that I put inside my cake has some wet batter on it. This means it's not done yet. I want the stick to come out either clean or with just a few crumbs on top of it, which will tell me that the cake is ready.
Okay.
Alright guys, हमने हमारे cakes ready हो गए हैं, हमने उन्हें oven से निकाल लिया है. I really like this और ये जो crustiness that has come about is because of the cinnamon sugar that we sprinkled on top. So it's
Right.
nice and crusty and very soft from the bottom and super crusty from the top.
And so easily. How is it?
So it depends on the type of mold you're using.
Okay.
This type of ceramic coated molds usually are very easy to take cakes out of. And
Okay.
I just used some oil beforehand, just brushed some oil onto them. A easier hack is, and this really works, I call it the cake goop. I just mix some butter, oil and flour together.
Okay.
And melted butter, oil and flour, and usko I just brush on my molds.
Okay.
It's
Right.
like amazing.
उससे भी
जितना
easily आ जाता है.
Yeah, as hot as your cake may be, it will come off
Okay.
like in
Wow.
a minute. It's super great. So because I think everybody has understood the fact that I'm clearly obsessed with chocolate, I want to drizzle more chocolate on top of this.
Please go ahead. I am as obsessed with chocolate as you.
Perfect. So I have a piping bag over here, and to make it easier for myself, I'm placing it in a glass and pouring some melted chocolate inside. The food, when you're working with chocolate, what can go wrong? As in, its ingredient itself is such a gorgeous one. That
I
even
agree.
if it becomes messy, it looks nice because
Yeah.
सबको chocolate पसंद है. So chocolate is finishing. I'm just taking and crimping the edge a little bit, and I'm holding it tight between my thumb and the other finger, and I'm just going to snip off the edge a little bit. Just a little bit, and now my chocolate can pour, and I'll just pour some chocolate on top of this.
This looks so
Your
nice.
reaction to this. Also, if you guys want, you can put this in the fridge so the chocolate solidifies and it becomes less messy. I'll just cut into one to show you what the inside of the cake looks like. I'll put this here. And this is the beautiful chocolate orange sponge. I
looks
really
so-
want you to try a slice how you like it.
Okay, let's dive into
This
it.
is what I was talking about.
Oh my god. Wow.
You like it?
I love it. Please make your Christmas more delicious with Madam Butterfingers and ABP Live Podcast. And keep on listening to Christmas Carnival on ABP Live Podcast with me, Niharika Nanda.